So in our last class, we talked about matrices, definition of matrices, addition and subtraction of matrices. But today we'll be looking at multiplication of matrices. And in multiplication of matrices, we have two types of multiplication of matrices. We have the scalar multiplication and the matrices multiplication. So in scalar multiplication, we'll start with the scalar multiplication. So scalar multiplication, this involves the multiplication between a number and a matrix. For instance, if we have matrix A equal to open bracket minus 1, 3, 4, 5 and matrix B 3 minus 1, 4, 6. So if we are looking for find A 2A, B 3B. So if we are looking for 2A is a scalar multiplication because it involves the multiplication between a scalar, which is 2, and a matrix. So 2A will become 2 open brackets matrix A minus 1, 3, 4, 5. So if we are doing scalar multiplication, the scalar will multiply everything in the matrix. So 2 will multiply all the numbers inside the matrix. So we are going to have 2 times minus 1, here will give us minus 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. So our 2A becomes 10. So B, we have 3B. So 3B is also a scalar multiplication between 3 and the matrix B. So here will be equal to 3 into matrix B, 3, minus 1, 4, 5. So the 3 will also multiply everything in the matrix. So 3 will multiply 3, we have 9. 3 will multiply minus 1, we have minus 3. 3 will multiply 4, we have 12. 3 will multiply 5, we have 15. So this is for 3B. This is for 3B. So we'll look at the matrices multiplication. Matrices multiplication. So this is multiplication between 2 or more matrices. Between 2 or more matrices. Between 2 or more matrices. In matrix multiplication, the rows of the first matrix the role of the first matrix multiply the columns of the second matrix. The columns of the second matrix. Example: if matrix A equals to 1, 3, 4, 5 and matrix B equals to 3, 5, 6, 8, find AB. So AB means multiplication of matrix A and B. So we have solutions. We have AB equals to matrix A 1, 3, 4, 5, then into 3, 6, 5, 8. So if we are multiplying matrix, we multiply in 7 like this. So this row will multiply this row will multiply this. So we start by saying 1 will multiply 3. So here is 1 times 3 plus 3 will multiply 5, 3 times 5. So we add the comma 1 times 3 plus 3 times 5, comma. Then we go again to the second column. 1 times 6 plus 3 times 8. 1 times 6 plus 3 times 8. Then we come to the next one. 4 times 3 plus 5 times 5, comma. Then 4 times 6 plus 5 times 8. So we are going to multiply and add. 1 times 3 will give us 3 plus 15, comma. 6 plus 24, 12 plus 25, comma. Then 24 plus 40. So if we add everything, we have 18, 30, 37, 64. So let's take multiplication. This for okay. So I'm going to leave you with this assignment. So you are going to do this one yourself. This is an assignment. If matrix X equals to minus 1, 3, 2, 4 and matrix Y equals to 2, 5, 3, 2, comma, find XY. So you are going to do this and you get back to me. So far so good. We have been able to discuss addition of matrix, multiplication of matrix, both scalar multiplication and matrices multiplication. Thank you very much.